right, when you come into um, your General Physics 2 Blackboard, you've got in here, everything is working. I've been working with Cengage over the last couple of weeks, trying to get all of the links to work appropriately. I know I had some folks contact me about some grades not coming over from WebAssign. I think I got all that fixed. And I think I've got a lot of different things fixed from the WebAssign point of view. But in here on under the Exploring Electrostatics, that's actually what we're going to start today. Also, as a reminder to folks that if you click the calendar and you look at due dates, you will see the homework links in from WebAssign. You will also notice that I have lots of the homework links. I went in and tried to get most. I don't think I got all of them. I think I'm missing one towards the end, but most things are in here about the material from that spot. So we've got all of those pieces there. All right. And I do have, since most of you are in my lab as well, I do have it in two places, but the 1/r² activity, I don't care where you submit it, but it's going to count as a laboratory grade. So that's in there. Then back over here, you'll click in. We're going to start electrostatics today. So when you come into the folder, I've put the assignments on top. So there was the pre-work that was due this morning before class, because that's what we're actually going to start with. If it says practice, that is just for your information only. And that is just how you are, just to help you all out. That's worth 0 points. It won't become over into the grade book. And then we have the WebAssign homework. Eventually, we will have 2 quizzes, but I have not released them yet. And in fact, they're hidden from you all right now. And when you open the student view, you won't even see them. But I did want to just give you a heads up that we're going to have 2 different quizzes. One quiz will probably be next Wednesday, and the other quiz will come following that. And both quizzes will be before the next test. And I typically do a test after electric fields and forces, because that's a good place to put the test. And then that way you're not having to combine a whole lot of extra material. So those are where the assignments are. So any questions about assignments or anything like that? I will probably put out a weekly survey this week just to kind of touch base with everybody. But as far as attendance is concerned, I'm looking at the electrostatics, but I will probably put out that weekly survey, and I'll announce that on Friday. So questions, concerns, issues. All right. Also, just a reminder, because it is